Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a WhatsApp button to your site on Wix. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on Wix. Currently, I'm in the editor for one of my sites, and I'm going to be adding a WhatsApp button to this site. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of my pages. So, for example, I'll add a new page by going here into Pages and Menu, and then click Add Menu Item. And actually, I don't even have to do that. I just noticed that I have a contact page right there. So I will go to the contact page. I'm not sure why that's not showing up here under pages, but oh yeah, right, it's over here. But yeah, I will then go to a new page. I'm still not sure why the contact isn't showing up. It might be at the bottom of the page, but it really doesn't matter. You just need to pick a space for your button anyway. But yeah, once you pick a space, I'll just use this page as an example. Go to the plus, which is add elements, and then go to buttons, and then select whichever button you want, except for the PayPal buttons and the iTunes button. I'll just choose a simple text and icon button, for example, like so. It says shop, but it doesn't really matter. I'll double click on it and I'll edit to say WhatsApp, for example. And now, as you can see, the text is modified. And what we're going to do now is we're going to link it to our WhatsApp to create a new conversation. Now you want to click on this link icon, and here, as you can see, you need to select web address and you need the URL. Now, how does it open? New window, current window, doesn't matter. CEO settings also doesn't matter. What matters is that you paste this URL in here. Now the URL is https api.whatsapp.com/send?phone equals and then your full phone number in the international format, then ampersand text equals and then your message if you want a message. You can write whatever you want in this message using any characters. However, if you want any spaces, you need to put a %20, and that doubles as a space. Now, if you want just the phone number without the text, I'm pretty sure you just need to do this, then delete this and just have your phone number like so, and then that link will send it to your phone number, open up a new conversation but without a welcome message, and then you can just click done, and that's gonna open up a new WhatsApp conversation when anybody clicks with it. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.